Upper What Residence by Seear-Budd Ross in Wellington, New Zealand. The client approached us to convert a small storage space under their house into an ensuite, with a new extension that would function as a work-from-home studio and guest bedroom. In addition, they wanted the design to make the southern part of their property child-friendly and safe. The site had dilapidated brick retaining walls that were failing and unsafe. Site and context: located on an exposed ridgeline in the Wellington suburb of Wadestown, the Upper What residence enjoys expansive views across Wellington Harbour. The 298 square meter site has an early 1900s two-story double brick home that enjoys panoramic views. The extension faces directly east and enjoys relatively good protection from the prevailing northerly wind. Embedded onto the hill, the extension feels weighty and permanent, with soft planting wrapping its edges and onto the green roof. Once inside, the interior is calm and serene, employing plaster, timber, and brick with restrained detailing. The east-facing facade is entirely glazed to take full advantage of the view of Wellington Harbour. A large skylight is placed along the northern wall, allowing gentle light to spill into the studio throughout the day. On a windy Wellington day, the building hunkers into the hill as a welcome respite from the weather. On a hot summer's day, the glass doors can be fully opened, creating an effortless connection with the garden beyond. Materiality: the extension takes cues from the existing double brick home, with lime-covered bricks used for the exterior walls. The bricks are selected as a low-maintenance material that is complementary to the existing home. We worked directly with the bricklayers on site to develop the custom mortar finish. To simplify the visual appearance of the studio, a refined brick parapet detail is used so that the building appears as singular as possible. The roof is a membrane roof with irrigated planting over the top. Engineered masonry walls are used to provide retaining as required. In the ensuite, honed limestone tiles are complementary in tone and texture to the polished plaster that is used in the studio. Soft curtains and pale oak further complement the interior materials that are used. In accordance with the client's preference, all materials are high quality, resilient, and durable and should only improve with age. Sustainability: natural materials, including brick, timber, plaster, and stone, have been used extensively in this project. Additional grades of insulation have been used under the slab, in the walls, and in the roof buildups to promote thermal efficiency. Window placement and size have been carefully considered to manage interior sunlight throughout the day. A green roof provides a visual amenity to the project and promotes additional planting and vegetation on the site. Where the site previously was only partially usable, every square meter of the site is now used for a deliberate function, proving that a small site can feel generous as it provides long-term and sustainable utility for growing families.